Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi friends, today we are going to make Toran door hanging. So let's get started. First take a needle and a thread. You don't have no need to knot it. Then take pom-pom. Then put it inside the needle and the thread like this. Then take a white bead or manka, you can say. Like this you have to put inside the thread. Then again put a needle and you can see like this you have to do. Then adjust the thread here. You can see now it's leveled. Now take another mankas, then put inside the thread. You can see like this we have to put somewhat 8 inside. See, I have put the mankas inside the thread. Like this you have to make 3 more. You can see I have made it. I have taken one green because its combination is nice. You can see like this. In the middle I have taken this color. You can take any other color also. After this you have to combine the threads like this, and you have to put the green in between. Then take any bead or like this, any circle material, then put inside that I have put this. You need to take any manka or big bead like this, then you have to put inside. After this you can again take that bead, that same that you have put here, then put inside thread. You have put inside like this. Okay, after this you need to put some more mankas here. So now it's ready. I have also placed the knot here, you can see. So like this you have to make somewhat 8 to 9. I have already make, you can see. Now we have to make the upper part of this. First take a thread and a needle. The thread is of my door's measurement. You can take of your door's measurement. Then you need to knot it at the end. Then take a pom-pom. I have taken green, and that beads means marble, that is manka. Then you need to place it in the thread. I am taking 10. You can also take of your choice. After this you need to place that way that we have made it. place inside the note that we have made in that. After this, again place it 5. Then put it pom-pom inside. Like this. Then again place it 5. Like this, you have to place all the jhumkas like this one. Here ready, you can see I have noted at the end also. After this, for hanging you need like this. I have taken a kitchen's rings, or you can take any circle rings. After this, you need to put inside that ring one manka or note. Like this only, you have to do not put hole the inside, only half only. Like this, you can see. On other side you also have to do like this only. So now it's ready to hang.